रुकिए, क्या आप गेट इस साल दे रहे हैं? If yes, then skip to the 4th minute of this video for some quick tips, tricks and strategies related to the examination. And अगर आप गेट देने का प्लान कर रहे हैं या उसके बारे में कुछ जानकारी चाहिए तो ये वीडियो स्टार्ट से देखिएगा.
Hey there and welcome back to yet another episode of Text Connect podcast. Today we have with us Mr. Himanshu Pundar, a young textile technologist who has secured an All India rank 14 in GATE examination 2019. He has done his MTech in textile engineering from the prestigious IIT Delhi. We are glad to have him here with us. So let us try to decode everything about textile and GATE examination in the coming few minutes. Stay tuned.
Okay, thank you guys for having me.
So let us start with the session. So what do you think, sir, why a BTech student should opt for GATE examination?
Yeah, see, during graduation, a BTech guy has two options, mainly two options for MBA or for an MTech. So one should consider why he should go for MBA or MTech. Then he should compare that if you will be doing MTech, what you will be getting. If you are going for MBA, then what you will be becoming. Then accordingly you should decide. But in my case, I thought I would be going for MTech so that I will be technically sound and I will be getting exposure from IIT and I will be joining some industry at a decision taking role. So that was the basic motive for me to start with MTech, and yeah, I'm following my journey.
All right.
Okay, so during the preparation, what are the sources that the student should refer? And what do you think that how do coaching class helps? Like, what is your personal experience?
Yeah, actually, this varies from person to person. How like you need some coaching to prepare, or you are self satisfactory that you can do your own. Because on internet there are ample of resources available. You can use them and you can crack the gate. And in my case, I did my preparation from Lotus Academy Kanpur. I don't know if you guys are aware of. And now it is online also. And I'm very grateful for my teacher, Mr. Selin sir. And he is being great inspiration for me to along my journey. And yes, apart from the coaching, if you are not able to connect or go over there or not able to get the resources, then there are ample of other resources like NPTEL. You can get many resources related to your GATE examinations. And apart from that, the main thing is that you should see the pattern of the gate and start preparing from the old previous year question papers.
Okay. Okay. So Himanshu, what is the ideal time to start preparing for GATE? Like अभी जो नया criteria भी आ गया है कि third years भी दे सकते हैं. So how can they take advantage of that opportunity?
Okay. Yeah, if it is eligible for every branch, if I mean textile also, then okay, then you should start preparing by second year. Otherwise, ideally, it will if you are clear with your fundamentals, it will take 1 year to crack. Like for preparing everything from scratch from textile and including aptitude and maths. You have to focus aptitude and maths also because that's where you will make the margin among the students.
Okay.
So ideally 1 year. And you like if you are not up to date with the curriculum of your college or during your graduation, then it may take some more time.
All right.
So as GATE 2021 is around the corner, what last minute preparation tips would you suggest for the students appearing? So like last एक week बाकी है तो उन लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए अभी?
Yeah, like if they are sincere aspirants and they are preparing for GATE since like 6 months or 1 year, then they should go through their notes. And if you will see the pattern, they are moreover asking more numericals than theoretical questions. So every formula should be on your tips. This is the very basic thing.
Okay.
Secondly, in last 1 year or 6 months, what notes you have made already, just cut short them every time, so that you are preparing in like on a final day, it should be on 2 or 3 pages. Before attempting your final exam, you should go through that these are the statics or the data you should cram, and for like day 1 or day 2, and then you just forget it afterwards. So this is the like basic fundamental strategy. Just tip down that for last 2-3 days, just make sure that you are cut shorting your notes Okay, that every formula should be on your tips, and the data that you are ignoring whole 6 months that need to be crammed in the last few weeks, then pen it down and then cram it for like 2-3 days.
Oh,
Yeah, and one more thing, be friendly with the calculator, because calculator on the computer interface will be totally different what you might be using on your phone. So
So,
be friendly with that.
so we need to practice it on the computer, like the calculators on the computer,
Yeah,
and we
yeah.
need to make down notes which are like as small as possible with the.
Yeah, sure. Like whatever question or numerical you are attempting, try to solve it on your scientific calculator. That will be used in the GATE examination rather than your simple
Okay,
calculator.
okay. Yes. What do you suggest? Like, there are different sections in the exam paper. So, what should be the time division?
Uh, this again also varies, but I would say how I had done, because in 2018 also I had attempted and I was not able to do well because that wasn't my day, but I have proved it in 2019. So
yeah.
what I have analyzed that initially I went for 1 mark questions. So what I suggest, if you are attempting GATE 21, then this was my personal opinion. I'm not saying that you should definitely do this, but it has worked for me, so that's why I'm telling. So rather you should attempt 2 marks questions first, and then come to first 1 mark question, because initially when you read the question you are fresh, so you are more conscious about the questions. So make sure you are reading twice a question and attempt with 2 marks question first and then switch to 1 mark question, so it will be more productive in that way. And coming to subject wise, which subject you feel like you are strong at and you are good at, then try to attempt those questions first. Then you will gain the confidence, and then you will make your mark more easily.
Okay. So Himanshu, students tend to make a lot of silly mistakes while solving the paper. So ऐसे कुछ
Yeah,
mistakes है जो आपने like आपको लगा कि हाँ ये मैं avoid कर सकता हूँ and like these are the
yeah.
mistakes that can be avoided if practiced properly. ऐसे कुछ
Yeah,
है?
like होता है ना कि we see like once we read the question we are just in a hurry to attempt it, rather we don't understand वो पूछ क्या रहा है exactly, कि question पूछ क्या रहा है. So I would suggest कि firstly read question twice, even if you are attempting mock or if you are practicing anything, then if you have understand question fully in one go, but I would suggest read it twice. It will help you. You will realize it later. Second thing, again that calculator part. Do as many as calculation on that calculator rather than on your phone calculator.
Okay.
And silly mistakes, like be conscious. Try to calm down your nervous system so that you are not pressurizing yourself that you have to attempt you have to score good. You have to just do this at this moment, right? You have to be keep yourself calm and just keep
Okay.
doing, and you will certainly get the good result. Be conscious
Okay.
about this process rather than the end result.
Okay.
And this comes when you practice. All you need is practice, then in final you will be calm and confident.
Okay.
Okay, so sir, आपने जैसे बोला कि गेट में न्यूमेरिकल ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो इन दीज लास्ट फ्यू डेज खाली न्यूमेरिकल्स पे ध्यान देना चाहिए या साथ में थियोरी भी थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना चाहिए?
No, actually, if you are clear with your fundamentals, then numerical is like cakewalk. You can do it easily. Yeah, you should remember formulas and you should practice. But last time I would suggest कि go through theory first, because you have to cram it now. This is the high time that you should cram. You were ignoring that earlier, but now you have to cram whatever the theory it is, and try to conceptualize the facts and figure whatever you are preparing for that particular subject. So this is in last time devote your time most of in the theory part and keep practicing numericals. I see there are no more than 10 or 15 types of numerical would be there that you need to keep practice every day. So you have to manage your time in that way that you are attempting numericals also, and moreover you are focusing on the theory part, because what we make mistake in more in the theory part rather than the numerical part.
Okay.
And so, is there any particular section like spinning, weaving, processing, which needs to be focused upon, like more focus should be given on the particular thing?
Actually, if you will, this is like one individual's job. You have to analyze the paper कि last time में क्या ज़्यादा पूछा है, spinning ज़्यादा पूछा है, weaving या processing या fiber, and then strategize your plan accordingly. See at what subject you are good at, spinning or weaving, so make it better. At the same time, if you are ignoring processing wasn't my interest, but at last time I was making notes, and then I was cut shorting them, so that if I know if they are asking some deep question, I won't be able to do really nice. If they are asking some simple question, then I can at least do. So
Okay.
I haven't devoted much time in that. Rather, I have practiced what I'm good at.
Okay.
So, but you can't neglect that other segment completely. You have to prepare in that manner that at least if they are asking some simple questions, you are able to attempt.
So do you have any message for the 2021 GATE aspirants?
Oh, okay. So this is like your final week. Just practice your calm and keep your nervous system cool. This is all you need in the last week. And day before exam, I would suggest don't study much. Just keep yourself relaxed. Go out and connect with your pets and friends, and don't think about exam. Just go with the relaxed mindset. Whatever you have done in 1 year and 6 months, that will work, not the at the last moment what you are working. So practice your calm and everything will work best for you. All the best.
Okay.
For all the viewers, if you all still have any doubts, please mention them in the comments below. And for all the people appearing for GATE 2021 examinations, we wish you all the best. So this was it from our side. Stay tuned as we come up with another episode in the Text Connect podcast series. And stay connected and keep watching Text Connect, a learning center for textiles.